In which part of the eye lies the pigment that decides the color of the eyes of a person? Answer. Option 3 is correct. The iris is a thin, circular structure in the eye responsible for controlling the diameter and size of the pupils and thus the amount of light reaching the retina. Eye color is the color of the iris, which in humans can be green, blue, black, or brown. The presence of what distinguishes a plant cell from an animal cell? Answer. Option 1 is correct. Animal cells do not have chloroplast, but plant cells do. Edward Jenner is associated with? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Edward Anthony Jenner was an English physician and scientist from Berkeley, Gloucestershire, who was the pioneer of the smallpox vaccine. He is often called the father of immunology. On the average, what percentage of human body has the element of oxygen? Answer. Option 1 is correct. In the human body, the oxygen is absorbed by the bloodstream in the lungs, being then transported to the cells where an elaborated change process takes place. Approximately 65% of human body contains oxygen. A large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart is called? Answer. Option 2 is correct. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the tissues. Plants which grow on saline soils are? Answer. Option 3 is correct. A halophyte is a plant that grows in waters of high salinity, coming into contact with saline water through its root or by salt spray, such as in saline semi deserts, mangrove swamps, marshes, and sloughs and seashores. Animals living on the tree trunks are known as? Answer. Option 1 is correct. Arboreal animals are creatures who spend the majority of their lives in trees. They eat, sleep, and play in the tree canopy. There are thousands of species that live in trees, including monkeys, koalas, possums, sloths, various rodents, parrots, chameleons, geckos, tree snakes, and variety of insects. Tuberculosis is caused by a? Answer. Option 1 is correct. Tuberculosis (TB) is an infectious disease usually caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis (MTB). It generally affects the lungs but can also affect other parts of the body. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Sunlight is the source of vitamin D, not its chemical name. In humans, the most important compounds in this group are vitamin D3, also known as cholecalciferol, and vitamin D2, ergocalciferol. The enzyme that is present in the saliva of man is? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, also called ptyalin, which is capable of breaking down starch into simpler sugars such as maltose and dextrin that can be further broken down in the small intestine. Estrogen and progesterone control and stimulate the growth of? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Estrogen and progesterone control and stimulate the growth of mammary gland. The membrane covering the lungs is a? Answer. Option 1 is correct. The pleural membrane is thin, moist, slippery, and has two layers. The outer or parietal pleura lines the inside of the rib cage and the diaphragm, while the inner visceral or pulmonary layer covers the lungs. Scientific study of birds is known as. Answer. Option 4 is correct. Ornithology is the scientific study of birds. In a human body, the longest bone is in the. Answer. Option 2 is correct. Femur or thigh bone is the largest bone in your body. Plants which flower only once in their lifetime are known as. Answer. Option 2 is correct. Monocarpic plants are those that flower, set seeds, and then die. They flower once in their lifetime. Which one of the following is a plant hormone? Answer. Option 4 is correct. The plant hormones are generally classified into five groups. These are abscisic acid, auxins, cytokinins, ethylene, gibberellins. Insulin is received from. Answer. Option 2 is correct. Insulin is a hormone which plays an important role in the regulation of blood glucose level. The main source in insulin from the roots of dahlias and beta B cells of the pancreas. Which one of the following human organs is responsible for detoxification of alcohol? Answer. Option 1 is correct. The liver is responsible for the detoxification of alcohol. Liver detoxify harmful substances through the complex chemical reactions. The blue baby pollution disease is due to the excessive presence of which of the following in drinking water? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Blue baby syndrome is an illness that begins when a large amount of nitrates in water are ingested by an infant and converted to nitrite by the digestive system. Carnal bund is a disease of. Answer. Option 2 is correct. Carnal bund is a fungal disease caused by the smut fungus Tilletia indica. It affects the quality of wheat. It was first reported in 1931, infecting wheat growing near the city of Karnal, Haryana.